Yo, hello for everybody, everyone. How are you? How you feeling? What the weather, huh? Autumn. Yeah, autumn. No sunshine. Yeah, but no matter. Excellent. Okay. So, and today it's very interesting video for people who want to know how to catch the problem, how to understand what the problem. And it's depend, as usual we have Toyota MMT, but this description fit for all semi-automatic gearboxes. Why? Because semi-automatic gearboxes, it's a just manual gearbox with electrical motor sensors that the clutch and shifting gears making the car for you this job. Yeah. So, and what interesting that I will show how it looks in the car, then how it looks in the computer, in the scanner, and then how it looks in the gearbox. Yeah. Yes. So let's go. E. Drive mode, automatic. Up. No gas. Up. Neutral blinking. Once again. Or it engaged the second. Okay, once again. First one. Up. First gear. Now it should be second. No, not engaging. So the car not engaging second gear. This is the problem. Now let's go on the manual and possible to see how it looks in manual mode. Okay, first, second, no gas, wait. Not engaging. The speed now will increase, yeah, and first gear engaging back. Okay, I will do more gas. Second, not engaged. Let's try again. On manual mode. Second, no gas. Not engaged. Okay, now it will engage the first. Speed start to be speed increased. Not increased. Speed decreased, and the first gear engaged back again. So let's increase the speed for second gear. No. Okay, once again. First, it engaged by himself. First. second. No, not engaging. So, what do you see? The car cannot engage the second gear. Cannot. It try, but not. It was once that it engaged the second gear, and now don't want. And all solution like let's change the clutch actuator, let's change the gears actuator, let's change the clutch, it's not working. It's no problem with these units. No problem. The problem inside the gearbox. And now I will show how it looks in the computer, in the scanner. So you see, it's no trouble code. No trouble code, no problem. All okay, but not okay. So you can find, so for check what is the problem, need to go to that data list, live data. You can find this parameter in any scanner. No need the text stream. If you have text stream, okay, but any scanner will show you the same. Launch, Autel, any. And we go into data list, and this what I need to find. Look, the car, also the manual car, how it's working. You have select of gears and shift gears, right? So in semi-automatic it's fully the same, but not here. There. And what happens? He moving the select, he first gear engaging, but second gear not engaging. And if I will over the second gear, the third, fourth, fifth, no problem, all will engaging. So we have only with second gear problem. It means that the select is working okay because it select to the first and second, but shift from first to second not okay. But it's gears actuator working also shift for third and fourth the same, for fifth and sixth also the same. So it means we need to check shift of the gearbox, and we finding this parameter and we making the graph. You can make it in any scanner. It's fully the same like this. So we need to find, no, in text stream I can choose shift. I need shift. I need sensor of the shift. I'm going to the graph mode, and I was showing, yeah. Look, I need shift position current. This is what I need. I'm making the graph. Also, I can make dimension of the graph. Graph mode, manual ranging, 10. 10, it's enough. Okay, let's make 13. Okay, like this, yes. And now look, I'm in the neutral. Now I will engage. It's on the first. Neutral. You see, this is the neutral. It's where is the shift located? Neutral, 19 millimeters. Okay, I'm going first. You see, first about 9 millimeters first. Now the second. When I'm staying, when I'm not drive, the second engaging, no problem. Look at this. You see? Only when I'm drive. First, second. Now second. Look. This is the second. This is the location of the second gear. It's about 29 millimeters. So this is how it looks. Okay, again. First, you see, it go down first. It's checking by sensor. Sensor show us first, second. And now let's drive and we'll see how it looks in computer. I will make camera like this so you see the gear and the graph. Okay? I will drive on the automatic. No. Yes. So I'm driving on automatic. Let's check. Start. Now it's first gear. Second, it should engaging. Not engaging. Neutral. Now the speed will decrease. First again. Okay, let's drive again. Now should be the second. Not engaging. Neutral. And first gear back. Let's do again. It try to engage. Not engaging. Neutral. Now I will decrease the speed. First gear. Look how it looks. You see? Let's engage the second. This was the second. This was right now. But this was when we drove. This is the first gear. We drove. Increase the speed. It tried to engage second gear. Once, not engage. Second time, not engage. Third time, not engage. Neutral. In this moment, neutral, flashing. Speed of the car decrease. Engage first gear. You see? Again, I drove on the first. Now try second. Try again. Neutral, first gear. The same. You see? This is the position of the second gear. And it make only half. So it pushed the second, but no possibility to engage, just to engage the second gear, you see? Now let's go to the base and I will show how it looks in real, with the gears, in metal. Check this. If I'm stay, I can engage the second gear. And I can start to moving. See, on the second gear, no problem. Second, third, no problem. Fourth, like the second gear to start, from second gear and drive on second gear, no problem. But from first to second, this is the problem. It try and it pushing, but not engaging. Oh, you see? Again, second gear cannot engage. From third or from first, no matter. When the car is moving, no possible to engage the second gear. This is the problem of this car. So now how it looks in the gearbox, inside the gearbox. So this is the shaft with the gears inside the gearbox. So this is the gear, first gear, second gear, This is the coupling, synchronizer, and hub. And what happens? What we saw? How the gears engaging. For example, this is the second gear. Op, gears engaged. Okay? And this was this. On our graph, it was on the top. Op. But when we drove, it was like this. It was only half like this, you see? And not engaged in our graph. The car try again. Try 3 times. The gears not engaged and go to neutral. On the graph it was big, neutral and first gear. Again, full engaged the gear and only half engaged the gear. And what the problem? This is the shaft from Toyota Aigo. Yeah. And here usually we have problem with the first gear, not second, but with second also. And this have, you see, this, it's broken. The hub is broken. And this is the problem why gears not engaging. So, and what need to change? Need to check. We have 4 parts for this. Need to check what is damaged and need to change it. The gear, the synchronizer, the hub, and the coupling. Need to remove, need to check and change these broken parts, and it will work again.